This is an unboxing video of a new old stock or open box Heathkit GDP-1108 Weller soldering station and an accessory GDP-1109 tip set. The tip set says February 1991 on it. I'll show you that in a minute. I got this in the estate sale. The box was opened, but it was never taken out. Inside we have a Weller tech sheet. Here is the Weller soldering iron. I can get a grip on something here. Little sponge. Put that off to the side for a minute. There's the holder. There's the soldering iron plug. On the back is more of the holder. And in the middle is the soldering iron. Grab the part to take this off. No, I'm just going to leave that on there. And the tip set has 5 700-degree tips. There's the 5th one of different size. And I have a description of it. This is the Heathkit catalog. On the bottom left says number 4, Weller soldering station, features exclusive closed loop system which automatically controls iron tip temperatures at 700 degrees Fahrenheit. And then it says $79.95. Down at the bottom of the little paragraph, GDP-1109 is a set of 5 700-degree Fahrenheit assorted tips for the above for $17.95. And I think that is December 1983. So that is the Heathkit GDP-1108 and GDP-1109 soldering station with accessories, new old stock. I'm going to list this on eBay.